Hello everybody. Today I was working at the farm and I wanted to share what I was working on because I thought it was interesting. So behind me I've got our spring garden. It's currently cover cropped with oats, which I'll show you later. I'm working the top section up for garlic, and I just want to show you guys how I do it. It's the middle of October right now, so it's time to plant garlic, maybe next week. And so I'm getting everything ready, and we're doing a little bit of a different process this year, and I just wanted to show you because again I thought it's pretty cool. Yeah. Okay, so here you can see the garden covered in oats. It just looks like a stand of tall grass, but it is indeed oats mostly. And up here I've taken the rototiller and cleaned it up. So I didn't get any footage of me on the manure spreader, but what I did was I rototilled these lanes in the oats. I passed each lane twice with the tiller, and then I just left a strip of oats to mark the pathway. And then I came back with the manure spreader and just ran it slow, and that just deposited a nice sort of thin layer of the mushroom compost. So you can see the regular soil's underneath, and then the mushroom compost is just on top. So it was super easy to get this entire area ready by myself. We've got a loader tractor, so I just loaded the spreader, threw it on the field, did that twice, and now we've got about 1.5 tons or 2 tons of mushroom compost in this little area, which is quite a lot. I heard that garlic really likes nitrogen, so I'm kind of going crazy with that. This is my rig for the rototiller. That's a 1961 Case 530. 5-foot Kuhn rototiller. I know some folks are against tillage, but for us and our scale, I kind of need it because it would be too laborious to do this all by hand. I do have a walk-behind tiller that I use for most stuff, but for the most part, major field operations, I like to use a tractor. I also just really enjoy driving the tractor. So yeah, I'm going to get a shot of me rototilling this in, maybe a little before and after. And yeah, so that's basically just a quick look at our prep for garlic. So we do the oats, till the oats under, then we're going with the mushroom compost and the manure spreader. Then I make a nice seed bed with the rototiller, and then next week we're going to come in here and plant. And then after that, I'm going to cover this whole area with wheat straw. And then I'm going to lay it to rest for the winter. Yeah, you can see a really nice picture. That stand of oats just right here, that is exactly what this area looked like before I tilled it up. So it's really doing a good job at soil erosion control, holds on to nitrogen, other stuff. Yeah, this is a nice little shot of the farm right now. That's our barn back there. It's got solar panels on the top. Cool. broke my tractor.